and you'll never guess where I got them. Thanks for tuning in. I'm SB Mitch, welcome to the channel. You can give me a follow on social media, and you can also subscribe to the channel if that's something you're into. If not, totally understandable. I'm kind of annoying. Hi pals! Today we're taking a closer look at probably the most hyped up Nike SB colorway that has released this year so far, in my opinion. This thing. This is the Chicago colorway of a Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. I mean, they're really nice, guys. Quality is super on point for these. The colorway is called Varsity Red, Black, White, I guess you could say, but it's obviously a Chicago 1 colorway, which is pretty awesome, seeing as how Nike SB releases are already super hard enough to get without Jordan heads trying to get them already. But I got really lucky. I got these from Uprise Skate Shop. They did a local raffle, and I was just lucky enough to hit, and I hit my size. So, got a full leather upper. I mean, that's the only material on here aside from the canvas tongue. Got a fat tongue. I mean, these are really, I mean, it's a Jordan 1 Nike Dunk Low Pro SB. That's pretty much all there is to it. So let's take a closer look at these, and I'll give you all the details afterwards. As I said, I got these from Uprise Skate Shop. They were chosen to release them early because, duh, it's a Chicago colorway and they're the only orange label skate shop in Chicago, so it only makes sense given the current climate with the pandemic. Obviously, they did a local-only raffle, but it was still shipping, so I got these for retail. I'm not trying to flex, but I'm also not trying to spend oodles amount of money for early look videos on YouTube because I'm not an apple-faced goon. It is a GR, so you have like normal GR quality. These are actually really nice, and I think that's because Nike SB was pretty aware of how sought after these are gonna be. The release details are kind of spotty. They've already released in the EU. A lot of people in like the UK and European countries, even overseas in Asia, have gotten pairs already. It's a general release, it's not a quick strike, so skate shops are allowed to release them as they receive them, I guess you could say. A lot of places are going to be doing raffles, but this is not an orange label release, so non-orange label skate shops will be getting them, and as well as some retailers like Undefeated or Extra Butter. Retail price on these was $100. Totally worth $100 if you ask me. But I mean, it's no surprise, it is still a general release, but as with all general releases Nike SB has been putting out this year, these are awesome. These are really, really nice. I'm not a Jordan 1 guy myself. It's a Jordan 1 colorway, and probably the most iconic Jordan 1 colorway on a Nike Dunk Low Pro SB. Sizing, you probably want to go up a half size from your true to size because of the fat tongue going on in here. It does take away some of the room, but nice job to everyone at Nike SB because I'm sure you're watching. So there you go. It's the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro in the Chicago colorway. Check your local skate shop or other local retailers or online retailers to find out when they might be releasing these. It's gonna be a lot of raffles, I guarantee you that. So thanks for taking the time to watch the video. I appreciate it. Even though I'll probably get a lot of thumbs down on this, I don't really care anymore. So thanks again. Take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye!